Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to start a group call on Facebook on your PC using the new update. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on your PC. Once you're in, head over to the Messenger tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, find the group you want to call. You can either search for the group in the search bar at the top of the Messenger page or scroll through your list of conversations until you find the right one. Once you've found the group you want to call, open the conversation by clicking on it. This will bring up the chat window for that group. Now, look for the phone icon at the top right corner of the chat window. Click on it to start the group call. And that's it. You've successfully started a group call on Facebook using your PC. Now you can connect with your friends, family, or colleagues all at once. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy calling.